In 1984, that machine, that first computer came into our lives and into our industry. We didn't realize at the time that actually the virus of that mutation was the computer. I realized that from that day in 1984, things would never be the same.
As the globe turns in space, we're living in this digital age where bibliophobes are scared to turn a page. Clones indulge in smartphones, brain frequencies running low like ducking from the 5-0. My physical in the realm of weed smoke, spiritual like indigenous people, meditating, fighting the forces of evil. Social media networks like undercover agents, the truth's what I cater. Therapeutic remedies in the form of nature, indulging in apple but not in the form of fruit. Capitalist in pursuit of loot, that's why I exercise my soul via the booth. I'm caught in the crossfire of nature in the digital. Biblical text promoted by priests and scholars. Corporations controlling minds to generate dollars. Daily inventions of gadgets is black magic with hypnosis. Turn on your location settings to track all your movements. Blinded by the hype, that's why I pick up the pen to write. Or should I say, I pick up my phone and type. It's the nature versus the digital, robotic versus spiritual, at war with the self. Technology's main aim is to steal our wealth. Money talks and bullshit walks, that's why I exercise my train of thought. It's the nature versus the digital, robotic versus spiritual, at war with the self. Technology's main aim is to steal our wealth. Money talks and bullshit walks, that's why I exercise my train of thought.
Even today, we still are searching what is going to change in our society because of the computers.
Fighting wars over internet, trying to kill the threat. Hackers watch, try to intercept. Praise the Lord, but we sin again and seek forgiveness. Why? Cause it's written all within the text. I'm speaking, but whose truth is this? Technology imprisons our sin, recluselessness. Without it, feel like we're just useless and hang our heads in shame like the news just fits. So everybody's Neo from the Matrix. Say they came to change it, but nope, they ain't changed shit. Strip it bare, take it back to the basics. Status offline, phone line is engaged, bitch. But still I network, trying to raise my net worth. Not understanding quite how my debt works. 666 converted into ones and zeros. Now this is it, your standard you can run in fear,
bro. It's the nature versus the digital, robotic versus spiritual, at war with the self. Technology's main aim is to steal our wealth. Money talks and bullshit walks, that's why I exercise my train of thought. It's the nature versus the digital, robotic versus spiritual, at war with the self. Technology's main aim is to steal our wealth. Money talks and bullshit walks, that's why I exercise my train of thought.
With words, suddenly we were able to exchange concepts. Our daily lives generated information, and we would pass that on orally from people to people and to memory to memory. Keeping the stories of our lives to go from generation to generation. I realized that my role was to help humans understand complex information.